Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Wix booking system for appointment-based services. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply add booking system for appointment-based services in Wix Studio. So let's get started and watch video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to log on to your Wix website. So to do that, just go to wix.com, then on your website, then log in your account. Then after that, you have to go to the Add app, which is in the left menu. Then search for Wix booking, then click on Add to site. Then Wix will automatically add a booking page to your website. Then on the step 2, you have to set up your appointment service. So go to the Wix dashboard, then click on the bookings, then click on Add a new service, then select appointment, then enter the service name, description, duration, price, and location with your set availability and assign staff. Then click on save. Then after that, you have to also enable the payment option. So for you to do that, you have to go to the dashboard, then go to the settings, then click on accept payment, then choose a payment method. For example, you can simply choose PayPal or Stripe. If you want, you can also use the Wix payment method if you want. Then after that, you have to enable the deposit or full payment option. Then on step 4, you have to customize and publish. So go to the Wix editor and open the booking page, then customize the color, the font, and the book now button. Then once you do that, you can also add a booking widget to key page. Then click on publish to save the changes. Then after that, you can also test and promote. So test a booking to check the workflow and share the booking link on social media and embed the booking widget for better visibility. And that's how you can simply add a Wix booking system for appointment-based service on Wix Studio. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.